Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video I am going to be discussing with you the different options for connecting one teeny tiny doily to another teeny tiny doily. Now on the patterns you'll see in the center between your design options connect section. This here is shows you the connecting. I have two here for the color count, but there are options for this part which I will be showing you. You'll see that you have it in all three pattern types, but for the egg doily it is slightly different, so you will need a different video for the connecting part for the bottom of the egg doily. But this video will work for both the teeny tiny one and the long one. Now here I show you the different options you have. You can do the two as shown on the pattern. You can also choose to use just one, or you can use none. Now when you use none, you will not use the first bead in your next design. You'll just begin adding the first circle. That I'll be showing you, but these are your three options that I'll be showing you now. I have come up with some other ideas which I will add in an extra video for once the series is complete, but these are the simple options which I will be showing you how to do in the videos. Now here I have some done up ahead of time. Here you can see with the two connection, then this is with the one, just a single connection between them, and this is how it looks with no connection between them. You just go right from one doily to the next doily to the next doily. So that will be your next choice, is decide how many connection beads you would like between your doilies. Of course, with none, you'll be able to have more doilies on your piece, and with two, you'll have fewer doilies on your piece. So the option is yours, and I hope to see you in the next video, which we will do the no connection between first, and then we will do a video beginning with the connection. Hope to see you there.